Welcome students. In this video we are going to discuss about what is anode and cathode and what is the relation between anion and cation. I will be telling a short trick how to identify an anion and an anode and as well as cation and a cathode. So please watch the video till the end so that you will understand the difference between anion and anode as well as cation and cathode. So here first of all let us see what is this anode and cathode. So they are nothing but electrodes. So electrodes can be classified into two types. One is anode and the next one is cathode. So here this anode is always positive whereas cathode is always negative. So here you can see in this cell, in the galvanic cell, you can see here you are having negative sign, that is this is our anode and this is our cathode. So similarly in this electrolytic cell, here you can see positive, so that is our anode and negative is our cathode. So here we are having one more term known as electrolyte. So basically this electrolyte is in the form of liquid. Most of the time this is liquid only, but in a dry cell, we have seen the dry cell, our Eveready or Nippo cell. So we'll have the chemical inside. So this will be our electrolyte. So which is in the form of solid, but most of the times electrolyte is liquid. Okay, so here you have to remember that anode is always positive whereas cathode is always negative. So then what are ions? So ions, basically we are having two types of ions. One is anion, other one is cation. So what are these anions and cations? So these ions are formed inside the electrolyte. When you are passing the current through the electrodes, that is anode and cathode, what happens? Reaction will take place inside the electrolyte. So then you will have the formation of anion and cation. So here we can say that here anion is always negative whereas cation is always positive. So here you have to remember, as we said, cathode is our electrode, so which is represented as negative, and anode is also our electrode which is represented as positive. If we take our anion, which is negative, and whereas cation is positive. So here how to remember cation and anion? Always remember anion. So here you can see here this line, so represent it as minus, that is negative, whereas cation, so here remember this, so this is plus, T stands for plus, so you have to remember that cation is positive. So this is the trick which you have to remember. So most of the students, they will have doubt regarding the charge of anion, is it negative or positive? So simply you have to remember that anion is negative and cation is positive. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching this video.